Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you contents in 90 and 99 OVR player, how to purchase TOTS dynamic over in FC Mobile. Before we start, I made this video for beginner new into this game, still confused how you can challenge the event, how you can complete the quest, so you can get ton of reward from this game. Let's get started by open the store and go to the feature one. So this is the first page on the store. This one, the TOTS dynamic over 250% value. So you got 200,000 coin, and then 4 best player 65 plus, and also 4 mixed version player 75 plus OVR, and this one the TOTS player 91 plus OVR TOTS player 1 player. If you're lucky, you can get one of these player. So let's open just I mean with a 7,500 gems. Let's tap it and let's see who we got here. Tap to open, reveal all, and we got 92 OVR TOTS player here. So please free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click thanks button below. See you in the next video.